Hello intrepid golfers and welcome back. Today I'm going to be gluing this shaft to this driver. And remember the last video we did the flow orientation, so I have my hosel adapter in here set at 10.5 degrees. So that's where I want it to sit. I shall do a quick measurement of the stiffness because I'm tempted to tip this by 1 inch. Okay guys, so I have my chuck on the end of the shaft. I have my reflective tape here. I have my Kaufman Junior Club Scout to measure the CPMs, which is cycles per minute. So the higher the cycles per minute, the stiffer the shaft. So cycles per minute. By the way, this Junior Club Scout you can get online. It's a cheap frequency machine for the DIY club maker. "267 cycles per minute. That's quite flexible. So I'm okay to take 1 inch off the bottom of this. And that's what I'm going to do next. When you're cutting graphite, it's always a good idea to put some masking tape like so, and then you can, it stops the graphite from fraying. So I've just roughed that up a little bit. It'll help make a key for the glue. I shall also do the same to the hosel. This wire brush. This glue I got in Nordica Golf, which is a good source of club making equipment for the DIYer. Now, so I mix up my glue. I got some shafting beads. Just throw into the mix. Right. So I have my shaft roughed up, have my hosel roughed up, I have the orientation I want. Which is skull up. And hopefully in about a half an hour I should have a glued driver shaft. So if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section and please subscribe.